What if I tell you that this video is not me? So how did I do this? And why did I do this? Because I have a big following in social media and it's fully organic. And maybe I'm not like, I don't know, I'm not like one of those people that have millions of followers, but I still make a lot of content in Albanian, in English. This is not the only channel you're seeing. I have 2 YouTube accounts, one Albanian, one English. I have 2 TikToks, 2 Instagrams, one Facebook group, and so much more. So we make a lot of content, but usually is me making the content, and it takes us a long time. The video editors have to edit, I have to shoot the content, I have to create it. The team helps, but I still am the strategist when it comes to the content that we do for our channel. And of course, by us posting content, it makes us not only grow an audience, grow a loyal community, but also it generates us a lot of leads and clients. So we have been utilizing AI and different AI tools, if it's ChatGPT, Nano Banana, and so much more, to save time. I'm not going to be doing the tutorial for you, so like stay tuned till the end, because one of my editors who actually edits my video is going to give you guys a tutorial of how he utilizes and saves himself time, but also myself time in making content for our social media. Wait, because I have something to tell you and a bonus tip that is going to help you with your strategy to grow your business and grow your audience by not putting a lot of time and effort.
Hello everyone and welcome once again into the Expand to Market AI course. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Nano Banana. You've probably heard the name before, but maybe you're not quite sure how to unlock its full potential. That's exactly what we're here to explore. By the end of this session, you'll not only understand what Nano Banana is and how it works, but also how you can use it to create stunning professional quality visuals, all without spending a fortune on expensive photo shoots. We'll walk through practical tips and real examples that show how Nano Banana can help you elevate your brand, enhance your marketing, and grow your business while saving both time and money. So let's get started. Okay, so the first things first, I will show you something. We made this photo shoot. Wait, let me make it large. Okay, so we made this photo shoot like 1 year ago. And it's a really good Photoshop, don't get me wrong, but it's like very expensive to make it over and over again. So for example, let's take a photo we really like. Hmm. Okay, so this photo, we have used all of these photos and we have no photos left, and let's change something about this photo. So let's say make her smile, because Marsilda is not smiling in this photo and we want to make her smile. Okay, so as you can see, Nano Banana made a perfect example. The same photo, but she's smiling to the same person, the same everything. Let's say make the pants black. Let's say we want to change the look entirely, make the pants black. Okay, this is perfect, but the photo is cut off. So let's say we want a full body photo, make it full body and add black heels. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so you can tell me this is not perfect. Like we generated a whole different photo in just 1 minute with $0. We went from this to this in just 1 minute. Okay, so let's say for example, make her hold 4 fingers up and 2 fingers in the other hand. Okay, this is perfect. This is a whole different photo in just 1 minute. This is so exciting. Okay, so let's take a new photo, for example. Let's take this and let's say put a photo of a forest inside the laptop. Okay, so in this photo, we made a photo with a laptop green screen so we can edit photos into it. But let's see if Nano Banana can do it and I don't have to waste time in Photoshop. Okay, this is perfect. I don't have to spend a second in Photoshop anymore. My job is saved. Okay, this is so good. Okay, so make the pants black. Let's change the entire look. Okay, this is good. And let's change the face expressions as well. Make her smile with her mouth closed. Okay, see, it's the same photo, even higher quality, and she is smiling. We change the photo, we change the pants, we change almost everything. Make her wear black gloves. Let's give her some gloves because it's cold right now. Okay, this is so good. Like in just 2 minutes, spending $0, having zero editing skills. If I did this in Photoshop, which I'm not sure if I can even do, it would take like 2 to 3 hours. And maybe I can't even do it, I'm not sure. But with Nana Banana, it's so easy. Like we made a whole new photo in just 2 minutes. Okay, so let's try a new photo now. So for example, let's try this one that we're sitting on the sofa. Make her smile with her mouth closed. Okay, it did it. So if I can give you one more tip, is like give the prompts one by one. Don't give multiple prompts in one sentence because it kind of messes it up. So let's say make the pants and heels black. Okay, so I maybe like the heels to be red more, so let's try it. Make the heels red. I would suggest that photographers add this as a service as well, because they can make beautiful photos with this. Okay, so let's say you make 100 photos in your photo shoot, we can add like 100 more with this. And the client will be more satisfied and pay you more, basically. Okay, so this looks better. So another thing I want to change is like the background. Or no, the background is fine. I will change the sofa. Make the sofa red. Bright red. Okay, this is perfect. I'm loving this. This is the same person, different clothes. Like, see, we went. Okay, okay, this is perfect. We went from this to this to this, and finally to this in just 2 minutes. Okay, so another thing that Nano Banana can do with the help of ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is just better at creating prompts. Let's be honest. This is all I have to type to ChatGPT, and it will create a prompt for me to put in Nano Banana. Okay, so I will copy this without even reading it because I know it will do an amazing job. Paste in here, submit, and just wait. Okay, this is just perfect. Look at this. I will even download to use it because I really like it. Oh my god, this is just perfect. Okay, so like let's say make it vanilla taste. Just change the taste. I want to see if it will keep the same photo, but just change the taste. I'm not sure if it can do it, but I'll see. Okay, this is just perfect. I love this. It even have the taste. Okay, I'm loving this. Okay, so let's say, for example, a bodybuilder holding the product in a gym. Let's see what it can do. Okay, this is just perfect. Look, it took the same scenario. It just made the gym bigger. You can see these are the same dumbbells, the same weights, the same bench. He just took the product from here and put it in his hands. This is just so perfect. No one else can do this. Like in Photoshop, I could never do this. I swear to you guys, like I never do this in Photoshop. This is just insane. Okay, so let's just say, okay. I'm just so excited for this.
Thank you, Wesley. That was an amazing tutorial, and you're always outdone yourself. And what I want you guys to understand is like, yeah, you can find AI platforms and different AI tools for yourself. Like, yes, there's information out there. You can use ChatGPT, Gemini to find this, but it's time consuming to try them, try the pros, try the trials, uh, find the right one for you. And even when you find it, I'm like, okay, how do I utilize 11 Labs? How do I utilize this other platform? What other platforms am I going to utilize not only to automate my business, to automate the tasks that I do, to save time on my employees, but maybe even completely remove a job because now you can have AI to do it, remove your virtual assistant, or maybe utilize her time so she can do much more for less time that she used to do before. We have not only consultation and mentoring and coaching that we provide for our customers, but we also have done for you services that you don't have to figure out. You don't have to spend hours and hours of time because you're busy doing you. You're busy growing your business. So don't hesitate to book a free consultation with me personally, and I'm going to overview your business, understand your goals, your budget, what are you trying to achieve short term, long term, and advise you the best steps to take and strategies and AIs that you can grow your business today. And it's free, it doesn't cost you any money. You don't have to buy any of my service or my packages. I just want to help you figure out an understanding better of what tools are out there that you can utilize to start growing your business and not waste time and money.